Hello color friends! Welcome back to our second edition of the K-pop Demon Hunters special. Get ready to meet the coolest boy band in town because today we're coloring the SAJA Boys. We'll begin with number 1, Beige. This is the skin tone for all three of our singers. Carefully fill in their faces and necks to give them a warm, healthy glow. Now, let's move to number 2 for turquoise. We are using this bright, energetic color for the hair of baby SAJA. It's a bold look for a K-pop star. Next is number 3, Black. This deep color goes on Eric's stylish hair. It creates a great contrast with the bright colors we'll use later. Time for number 4, Pink. We are using this fun color for the outfit that Sammy has on. Pink is a classic pop star color that really stands out. Now, look for number 5 for light blue. This color is for the trendy beanie that baby SAJA and Michael is wearing. Next up is number 6, brown. Grab this for the small details on Sammy's face as well. We are using it for his eyes and the subtle lines that give him his expression. Let's pick up number 7, gray. This cool shade is for Eric's jacket. We are also using gray for the background at the bottom and for the remaining letters in our band's name. Moving on to number 8, light green. This fresh color is for the jacket that Michael is using. It completes his cool, layered look perfectly. The SAJA Boys are ready for their world tour. Their outfits look so colorful and bright. Who is your favorite member of the band? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coloring fun. See you next time.